Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can invite someone, for example, as an editor to your projects on Freedcamp. So let us dive into this. Head over to your account on Freedcamp, select projects in the top left, and choose the project from that left-hand side. Then what you want to do, guys, is click into that arrow down icon here, and next to the project name, select project actions and choose invite users. Here, guys, you may, for example, use the email list here by clicking into add user and enter the email address of the recipient. Set the role here to the right, like admin, user, guest, read only. You may also remove the invitation here. And then, guys, once you've done that, send the invitation link here. Now, what you want to do also, guys, is, for example, bulk edit users or bulk invite, and then click into this button and here enter multiple email addresses, right? So if you'd like to invite multiple users at once, enter the email addresses following this example here, right? So separate these email addresses using a comma and then click into add users, set the role for all of them. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll catch you later.